So in this video, we are going to be talking about NIO and how NIO is heavily reliant on Tesla doing well in the earnings report. If Tesla sells off, NIO will sell off with Tesla. Guarantee, well, not guarantee, I'm 90% sure that NIO stock would plummet with Tesla if Tesla stock crashes on earnings. Tesla is having earnings tomorrow on July 22nd. Elon Musk has hinted, oh, it's going to be tight. But whenever he says that, they always beat expectations. So I'm expecting that Elon will beat expectations. He did reduce expenses by a big amount. Like, he reduced everybody's pay wage. So that will help save some money in a significant way. And on top of that, because they weren't producing so much in the American factories and they were producing in the Chinese factories, that's a possibility that, you know, China produces a lot lower cost than in America because Chinese workers take less of a pay, and Tesla's efficiency in the China factory is probably better than the ones in the US factories. So I think that Tesla will flip a profit and Tesla will move to the S&P 500. And if that's the scenario, NIO stock will explode to the upside. I could be wrong, and Tesla could crash after earnings. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. At the end of the day, like I said, I warned you guys that if Tesla crashes, NIO will probably crash. Why? Because people are probably going to sell off their they're probably going to sell off the NIO for Tesla. Because Tesla is, everyone loves Tesla way more than they love NIO. That's the consensus I get in the market right now. And then I also include AMD in this video. AMD is going to be AMD 2020 is going to be an amazing year for AMD because AMD is launching the Ryzen 4000 series. They could literally take the performance crown from Intel and NVIDIA this year, plus the console launch. AMD has so much attention on it, so much branding opportunity. I think the reason why AMD wants to launch Zen 3 in 2020 is because they want to capture the momentum with the GPU architecture, with the console architecture. AMD just wants a lot of attention on them, and that's why they want to launch the Ryzen 4000 series or the Zen 3 architecture this year. And I think AMD is going to have an amazing year, and I think sometime in 2020, AMD stock is going to $100. That's my opinion. We'll see if that happens. So yeah. So just recently, AMD made a video on their website, the 4000G series, the ultimate platform processor with graphics. In play and win. Enjoy smooth 1080p HD gaming right out of the box. So they're basically essentially saying that the new APUs will be able to handle good 1080p gaming. I hope, you know, Linus comes out with some benchmark comparing it to a discrete graphics card and showing that, oh look, AMD is doing pretty good to the counterparts of an Intel and a NVIDIA graphics card in the laptop. So yeah, I'm very excited for AMD. Is AMD stock in a bubble? Yeah, but bubbles can get bigger. Look at Tesla. Tesla is obviously in a bubble. So can AMD get bigger? Yeah, if Tesla can get bigger, why can't AMD get bigger? That's the thing. But another thing you gotta remember that there's also a chance that big money might not pump AMD. Even if AMD comes out and they destroy NVIDIA, destroy Intel, AMD still might be floating around $55 to $60 because big money don't care. They don't want to pump AMD stock. If they don't want to pump AMD stock, they don't want to. But I have a feeling I think big money will have to be forced to pump AMD stock, because benchmarks are gonna come out, and earnings are gonna come out and they're gonna be amazing, and Jim Cramer is gonna come out and be like, buy AMD stock, buy AMD stock. So I think that AMD is going much higher than what it is right now. I think it's just a matter of time, but we'll see what happens in the future. Nvidia stock is up 86 cents today. No, sorry, Nvidia pulled back, so AMD pulled back, and Nvidia popped a little bit after hours, and AMD is neutral after hours. So yeah, they kind of trade the same right now, even though I think AMD deserves a higher market cap than what they are right now. But again, that's my opinion. Space today had an amazing day, pulled back after hours. That's what it is. Like I said, don't get greedy with options, because Space could pull back. But I don't know what rich people are gonna do. Honestly, big money ultimately moves the stock. There's just so many stocks out there that I just don't think retail investors really have a say. Unless all the retail investors decide to pile into Virgin and put their number one holding as Virgin, then yeah, I could say retail investors could move Space stock. But at the end of the day, it's big money. If they want to move it, they will move it. And Bev, new age beverages. Like I predicted, I have a feeling that it could pull back. I think it's gonna pull back some more, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna play a patient game for this. I'm not buying unless this thing hits around $2. Then I may make a small position in NBEV, but we will see. Aurora after hours is up 4 cents. Not too much to say about this. I mean, I think Aurora is like kind of a news-driven company, and if as an investor, if you are invested in Aurora, you should be buying Aurora products. You should go out and you should buy Aurora products to make them profitable, to force big money to push the stock up. So the more profitable Aurora becomes, the higher the stock will go. So buy Aurora products if you really want the stock price to go up at the end of the day. Get your friends, get your family, get everyone to buy Aurora products, because that's how you move the stock. Not to buy it, but to buy their products, because it will force big money to come back into the stock and push the stock price up again if Aurora becomes profitable. That's my opinion. Afria is up 2 cents after hours. The market right now really likes Afria, but if Afria doesn't deliver on earnings, boom, stocks is going to go down. Guarantee you. And then who's going to go up and replace Afria? Aurora, because money is going to flow from Afria into Aurora, especially if Aurora is still sitting at this price point when earnings get released. We'll see what happens. SPAQ, SPAQ is up 9 cents. Not too much to say about that. Solo Electricma is up 2 cents. I think all these companies are going to be determined on Tesla. SPARC, not really. I think Spartan Energy is probably gonna just trade sideways for a while. Big money is obviously not interested in pumping up Spartan Energy at the moment. Maybe there's some big news, like a partnership deal for creating their cars. Then yeah, maybe Spartan Energy will get pumped. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Automotive down 18 cents after hours. Probably not a good sign, but whatever. That's just the way the market works. Ariel is pulling back today, down 4 cents. Blink is trading sideways. ELVT is trading sideways today. Not too much to say about that. What is this? I don't know why I have this up. Let's see. Let's look at NLC today. What is NLC doing today? NEO. No, Neo. Wow, Neo dropped 10 cents today, 247,000. That's opportunity. Could be a opportunity to pick up some more shares right now. Basically, I lost all my profits by holding the stock because I just believe that this thing was undervalued. But oh well, that's the reality of it. Sometimes if you don't take profits, you'll lose them. Meat is down 43 cents. Very CSE is down 13 cents. High tide today was what's it doing? It's up half a penny. Traded 73,000 volume. Very weak volume today for high tide. I already talked about Solo, and I already talked about high tide. Green Thumb Industries is up 8 cents today, 5%. 80 cents, sorry. Cura is up 4.84%. True is up 3.9%. Liberal Health Science is trading sideways. MedMen is probably trading sideways. Harv is trading sideways, and I can't think of any other company really. What other company? GTI? No, I already talked about GTI. Cresco. Cresco. Probably up. Yep, up 6.42%. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.